ExactFlat for Rhino.
ExactFlat Spring tool optimizes pattern pieces to relieve strain and sag. It works by minimizing the average energy density across the surface of the pattern piece. Preprocess computes and caches a large dataset of common calculations. Allowing Newton steps engages Newtonian calculations for potential improvement to the pattern. Sag penalty assigns a negative reward to intermediate states that produce excessive sag. Anti-spring stall skips excessive calculations that give the appearance of algorithm stall at 80%. Preserve boundaries enforces the 2D pattern perimeter length to be the same as the 3D model perimeter length. The piece material changes the mechanical properties of the material used during optimization. The spring status dialog highlights the following: the average energy density and the no-seam stretch error. Your pattern pieces are now optimized.